Hello! I was in Lidl earlier today and I saw this Japanese pole saw on sale for $5.99. Don't suppose it actually is Japanese. I bet it hasn't been anywhere near Japan, but I thought I'd buy it and have a go and see if it's any good. So let's just slice into the plastic. Oops. Get it out without hacking off any fingers. That's always a favourite. There we go. Now it claims, to have a coarse and a fine setting. I'll show you the coarse and the fine side. That's not the way I look at it. It's just a single piece of card. And it seems to indicate, so let me just show you that. So it says, what I presume it means by coarse is that and fine side is that. In actual fact, I think that side is meant for cross cutting and that side is rip cut. It's got an induction hardened teeth. It also has little bits of cartoony instructions on the back that seem to indicate you shouldn't press this while you're using it, primarily because that lets you take the blade off. Not quite sure why that's there unless you can buy spare blades. It seems to indicate it might want to wash and you might want to oil the blade as well. I'm not going to give it a wash, I'm going to go and dab a little bit of oil on there though. Paul Sellers style, except without his nice little oiling can. We'll just go and rub a little bit of light machine oil in there. And let's just have a quick go and see if it's any good with what I presume is the cross-cutting side. So it's a pole saw, of course. So it cuts on the back straight. It produces a nice cut of that blade. Put that on the floor so I don't knock it off. Well, that's producing very little tear out in that cut. Bear in mind, I haven't put a knife all in. Went through the last bit too quick, but, well, that so put the camera down there. Actually, that's the wrong end. That's a bit of a cut there. I didn't cut it particularly square. That's my fault, not the blade's fault. But that, I think, is the cross cut. Very little tear out. That looks like a good blade. Let's just see what it does for a very quick bit of rip cutting, for which I'll use the other end. give it a half a chance and I'll cut it the other way. Because that is quite a thick lumpy bit to cut in one video. Tell you what. Oh, I was using the wrong end. My problems with this are coming from the fact it's wobbling in the bench more than anything else. I think that's okay. It doesn't. It's okay for rip out. Let's see if I don't have anything thinner to cut other than this stuff, and it's treated timber. But that blade looks okay. Seems to cut reasonably well in both rip and cross cut. Take you an age to cut through a lump that thick, but that is 3x2. But then it is only $6.99. Sorry, $5.99. I think that's reasonably good for $5.99. Actually, let's just try this on a bit of 3/4 inch ply. I'm using the rip cutting side or the coarse, depending on how you want to look at it. That goes through fairly quickly. Let's try the other blade. Yep. Oh, there you go. $5.99. Only downside is obviously you can't sharpen it, but that's good. So, thank you for watching. Please hit like, that really helps, and share. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.